Now we're going to be working on dictionary. A dictionary is a collection which is unordered, changeable, and indexed. In Python, dictionaries are written with curly brackets and they have keys and values. So let's create a program and call this dictionary. Our first dictionary is going to be a dictionary of fruits. Inside our dictionary, we have keys and value. On the left side, we're going to have keys, and on the right side, we're going to have the value. This is the key, and then the value. And then comma, next key and value. So here's our first dictionary. And that's it, a dictionary. If you want to have access to the elements inside of the key or the values, if you want to have access inside of these value here, all you gotta do is call in the key and it will return the value. Here's an example. So we created a variable called result. Inside the results variable, we're passing it the value of apple. So we called in fruit dictionary and we asked the dictionary, what is the value of apple? So apple is the key and the value is green, and then they return green. So you can do this for every single one of the keys inside of the dictionary. Let's try kiwi. Brown. Sometimes you may want to check whether a single key is inside of your dictionary. In order to do that, we're going to use the in keyword. So we wrote here, is the word kiwi in fruit dictionary? And the answer is true, because kiwi is inside of this dictionary. Now we can do the same thing and check if something is not inside of the dictionary. Now we have written, is orange not in fruit dictionary? Is orange not inside of the fruit dictionary? The answer is true. Now let's say we want to change the banana color into a red banana. So the way to change the value inside a dictionary is like this. So now we just change the banana color into red. So we put in the key and we changed the value into red. And now when we print in the value of banana, it gives us the value is red. Now let's say you want to add new keys and values into your dictionary. All you gotta do is type in Now we have added mango inside our fruit dictionary and we have given it the value yellow red. So now when we print our mango, it gives us the value yellow red. If you want to see the list of all the keys inside of your dictionary, all you gotta do is so I created a value called keys, and now this is called a constructor. So I use a constructor called list. And with the constructor list, and you put in the dictionary inside of your constructor, it returned all the keywords that are inside of my dictionary. You can also have them sorted. Now, by using sorted, we sorted our dictionary by alphabetic order. It is also possible to delete the key and value pair with del. So now we said delete kiwi inside our fruit dictionary, and then we printed the fruit dictionary apple, banana, mango. Kiwi doesn't exist anymore inside of a dictionary. Another way to create dictionary is directly from a sequence of keys and value. This dictionary here is created by using this constructor, dictionary, and here we're printing out what year this car was made. When your keys are simply strings, it is sometimes easier to specify pair by using keyword arguments. Here's an example.